quick video here in regards to panning. I've had some questions and some emails and some other people that I know asking questions about the technique of panning, and I just wanted to go over a few quick things here for those of you that are out there panning for silver, gold, or any other mineral. Starting off with the concentrate inside of your pan, you're also going to need a little tub with water to kind of work with to be able to swish around. And I just want to go over the technique here in this video, my technique that I use primarily when trying to get to the bottom of the concentrate, into the black sand, and into finding the element that you're looking for. I prefer to use a black or these blue ones that you can see here that have different ridges cut into them. This is for the finer stuff and this is for the bigger stuff, and I utilize both parts here when trying to get down and find the gold. And normally when I get my concentration in the pinch point down here, I shake it really good like this, back and forth, and I'm doing this to work loose all that sediment that you can see right there, and then filtering that out. And what that's doing is it's allowing some of that looser stuff to float off the top, and I keep it right here next to the edge of the really fine grooves and the thicker grooves, and I kind of do this and kind of cleanse that out real good until the water becomes clear. Now when you're doing this, you get this over the grooves here. How I do it, it takes a motion of kind of going back and forth, and when you do this, it's going to start to take some of those larger rocks, you can see like right here and here, it's going to start to move them off the top, and it's going to hold the heavier stuff down in the bottom. So zoom in here, you can see when I'm doing this, see the heavier stuff here, it's going to work to float off the top, and then when you float some of that bigger stuff off the top, you can take it back down, shake it back down into your corner, reconcentrate it, start to work it again, back and forth, and that heavier stuff once again, or the bigger stuff, not necessarily heavy, the bigger stuff will start to float off of the top, and your gold and your black sand is going to catch down in the grooves in the very bottom because it's the heaviest. So with this motion, kind of swishing the water in and then like a tide, going in and out right there, in and out, it will work. And if you've got other pieces in there, just go in and work to remove them by hand. And we're going to continue this process. I'll shake it down again. I'll shake it down here, and then I'll slide over and I'll start to use this side. I'll start to use the finer grade stuff here on the edge, and I'll shake it out here. And then here's the spinning. You need to have a really good motion here, circular motion around the dish. And what you're looking to do is you're looking to swish around and wash away the lighter stuff to the right hand side, and it's going to leave the heavier stuff over here. You have to practice this a bit, but this is key. When you can get this, start working around and look right there. You see what's right there in that pocket? We have gold. Right there. So if I continue this motion, swirling this around, just swirling it around, you can see here now where all the gold is concentrated. Here in the corner of the pan. So this is where you're going to find it, right here, just like that. And go in here. We can get one of those pieces right there, and you can see that your black sand and your metals and your gold are all going to be concentrated right there in that spot of the pan. Then you can use snuffer bottle or something out to get all the gold out. I also have a black sand magnet to help filter out the black sand. But that is a quick video on showing how to quickly test a sample and how to pan it and swirl it down to the bottom to see if you've got any gold. That's where to be, right in that area. Alright, much love, y'all.